your light here? No.
I'm already recording it.
You'll start. No, you should wait. I
Okay.
guess we can edit it. He's gonna really lose it when I park.
This is his John Deere sound. He buzzer is very weird.
Where we at? Circle K? You gonna stay here and be a good boy? You gonna stay here and be a good boy?
He's just looking at you at the doorknob.
I know. Stay, stay, stay. See, now he's not doing it. He doesn't do as much as he used to.